Hi. Okay, I literally almost started recording this video with no SD card in it. About to take myself to like a lunch dinner. My reservations are at 4. It's 1:23 and it's in Oxford Circus, Carnaby/Oxford Circus. So I need to be there. I need to leave here at like 2:30 and I gotta return some pants and all that. But I was like, I'm gonna take this time to do a little lock moisture routine. I want to show how I moisturize my hair. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I just did a super light wash because your girl's scalp was itchy. Like, what? Okay. But yeah, my scalp was itchy, so I was like, let me do a light wash in the itchy area. My diet been like low-key out of whack lately. Mainly being almost stressed. Being slightly stressed, so I've been eating like a lot more sugar compared to usual. And I have noticed that like when I have a lot of sugar, my scalp, my whole body, it don't be with it. But this is how I moisturize my hair. I'm starting out with damp hair. Like, I don't like my hair to be she leaking, she soaking wet. When I say that's my pet peeve, girl, that's my pet peeve. So I wet my hair in the shower and I squeezed out the water, and then I had it in like a t-shirt, as y'all saw. Okay, let me find out. My hair getting kind of long. Let me find out. Anyways, I see so much conflicting stuff about like how you should moisturize your locks, how often you should do it. Am I moisturizing the scalp? Am I moisturizing the hair strands? Yada yada yee-haw. So this is what I do and what works for me. I always start out with a hydrating liquid. Right now I just have water, but when I'm at home I'll have water or a mixture of rose water and oil, or a mixture of water and aloe vera juice, just something that's gonna like add moisture back into your hair. This is warm water, by the way. So I spray my hair with water. Again, I'm not trying to soak it. I'm spraying my hair and I'm spraying my scalp. And you know what your hair likes. Everything is different for everyone. Like, my scalp honestly does not like when it gets super oily. When my scalp gets super oily, it tends to get itchier faster, and I'm not with that. So yes, I just sprayed my ear. I'm adding water. Now my hair is hydrated, but it's not like dripping wet. Actually might add a little more to this little section. Okay. Then I'm taking the Lush Super Milk. This is called a conditioning hair primer. Basically, if I was natural, this would be the L and the LOC method. It literally says that on the bottle. It says liquid. I'm applying this to my hair strands, not my scalp, my strands. An important part of any natural hair product is learning where it goes, where you should apply it, because I feel like that can lead to some irritation if you're not applying it correctly. And we don't want that. I haven't always used this, but I've been using this since I've been in London. I really like it. I really love the smell. Like, it smells so good. When I was back in the States, I was using the Carol's Daughter, the vanilla whatever. It's in the purple container, or has the purple label, I should say. Then I like to go in with a penetrating oil on my scalp. So right now I'm just using this Hiiiiie castor oil. I don't have an oil dropper bottle. I should get one. But I'm putting that in my palms. And I'm focusing this like on my scalp and on the nape of my neck also. Y'all saw how I didn't use a lot, right? Like I said, I don't like when my scalp is super oily. I'm focusing on massaging that. Into my scalp. Also right here. Then I take an oil mixture of choice. This is a vitamin, it says vitamin E blend, but I put more stuff in there, and like, knowing me, I be experimenting. Who knows what's up in here? Probably some olive oil, some almond oil. Lord knows, some smell good oils. But I use the lighter oil on my hair strands. And it's up to you how oily you want to go. Some days I do a bunch of oil, other days I don't. The thing with locks is that it's hard because you're like, I'm moisturizing my locks, but it's like, how can you tell? Like, it's not gonna look dry to most people, you know, like how it would look when you have natural hair. It's a little bit easier to tell when your hair is dry. I go by feeling if my hair is soft, feeling if it's dry. Does it need some TLC? When's the last time you actually took some time and moisturized it? And this oil is working to seal in the hydration that we added with our water and our Super Milk spray. See how that looks. And then I just repeat the same thing on other parts of my hair. There are mixtures that people make. Like when I first started my locks, I was doing West Indie Ray's hydration mixture. I've also tried Yanni the Lockologist, half rose water, half vitamin E oil, which I really did like that. I did more rose water than vitamin E oil. But out here, I have not been able to find rose water. It might just be like where I live at. So this is like my simple lock moisture routine for when you have your basic products, but you know they're gonna get the job done. And I like to move with intent when I'm moisturizing my hair, when I'm washing my hair. I spoke about this in my, I don't remember what month it was. It might have been my 9-month lock update. But yeah, I like to move with intention with my hair. Like you see, I'm adding a little bit of pressure. I'm not yanking my hair out and I'm not being ultra rough with it. But it's like I'm working that product in. Cast the oil again. On the scalp, on the nape, the roots of your hair. That lighter oil came, Chile. It's almost my 12-month lock anniversary. I'm trying to figure out what style I want to do. Like, I don't want to just do a normal retwist. I might try pipe cleaner curls. Y'all think my hair mature enough for it? Because I really don't know. That's like my dilemma with every style. I'm like, is my hair mature enough for this, or is it gonna be looking crazy? And I know there's gonna be a bunch of shrinkage with the pipe cleaner curls, so I'm trying to figure out if I mind that or not. Now is also a good time to separate your roots. If you're not retwisting that day, still a good practice. I'm doing my 12-month visual lock journey. Because a lot of people ask me like how my locks looked when I first started. Y'all can finally see y'all can finally see my original hair color, because I get so many questions asking me what colors I use to dye my hair. People yelling at me saying I shouldn't have dyed my locks, and I'm like, guys, I didn't dye my locks. This was before I got locked. This is the remnants of color. This lighting is something. The weather is like, I was gonna say it's constantly changing out here. It's supposed to rain today, now it's not raining. It's 70 degrees. It's 70 degrees out here, but it's literally gray. It's something that throws me off being out here. It'll be 70 and gray, and then I bet you by 4 o'clock the sun is gonna come out. But I feel like that's always how it happens. I like to squeeze the oil in as well. Curl my ends if I want. That's a little thick one. For some of them, I'm wrapping the frizz around also. Just for a little neatness. Although I really divested from like what neatness is and what lock styling is and what hair should go with what outfit. Because that was like a big thing when I had natural hair. It's like what hair should go with what outfit. Now I'm like, shoot, y'all finna get these middle part sticky outy locks. That is chic. That is a style. I love castor oil on my edges also. I just like how that looks. Obviously, if you have color treated hair, it's gonna need a little bit more love. And I feel like blonde has a tendency to always look like slightly dry, even if it ain't dry. Look at that moisture. And I know a lot of people are like, you moisturize your scalp, blah 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 the hair, and I'm like, bruh, I understand that, but that don't mean that our hair gotta look like that don't mean that our strands, I should say, have to look like we don't love on them. And I don't use conditioner yet still. I just got used to like not using conditioner. I've used it a couple times back in the States, but I didn't bring it with me. And now I only have a month. Now I only have a month left out here, so like I'm trying not to buy big things. Like, am I gonna buy a bottle of conditioner and then fly back with like a bottle of conditioner essentially? Because it's not like I'm gonna use it every week or nothing like that. I remember hearing this expression even when I had normal natural hair, and like your hair is like a plant, so you're watering the roots, you're not watering the leaves. That's why I like to focus the water, like moisturizing juice, like I was saying, on my scalp, and then everything else goes down my hair. So water, moisturizing juice on your scalp, everything else from the roots to the tips. Am I the only person that like I take moisturizing my hair seriously? Even if I'm not doing like this oiling process, I like spray my hair with water at least, and then I notice that I'm always like, why my retwists never last? And it's like, girl, because you're spraying water on them. I don't care, mama gotta have moisture, okay? I might not do it for my 12-month though, okay? I have some lemon water down there, or rather lime water, but now it's looking like it's oil hair water, lime water. I don't know if I'm gonna drink that now. Okay. Now I'm going in with my Smell Good oil. This is just some almond oil, and it has ylang ylang, sandalwood, cinnamon, and a bunch of other oils mixed in. Like I said, it's mainly for the smell goods. Notice how I didn't put a lot of that. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video and saw a way or heard a way that you want to moisturize your locks now. Maybe saw some products that you want to try or incorporate into your own routine. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye. I said bye.